Welcome back to Viper Trade, and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be discussing what's next for Bitcoin and how would this impact the crypto markets in general. But before I get into this video, if you can like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and market updates. So let's get straight into it. So guys, if you look here on the day, altcoins have been bleeding. They have been bleeding very heavily. So you can see altcoins like Pi down 24% on the day, Bonk down 7% on the day, Casper down around 9% on the day. APT is only went up around 2.8% on the day. Floki down 9% on the day. So you can see within this, a lot of altcoins haven't been doing so well over the past day, over the past week in general. On the week, only a few of them are green, but they have retraced their moves very, very quickly. And again, on the month as well, you can see which ones have been underperforming. So guys, as you can see on the RSI heat map, many coins are in the weak or oversold region with no immediate signs of a bounce back into the neutral zone or the strong zone. Of course, you've got a few coins that are within the strong zone and overbought zone, and these are coins that you might want to be looking out for shorts in the next few days to weeks. And also, guys, if we go on the 200-week moving average heat map as well, you can see here that this has provided some decent support in the past for Bitcoin. So you can see, guys, in 2012, when it hit this, we saw a move for Bitcoin from $5 all the way to $1,000 essentially in the next year or so. And then again, guys, we came to $228. You can see from this, we went all the way up to around 20K for Bitcoin. So here it says 19,215. So you can see there that was an 100x move. And you can see here as well from $4 all the way up to $1,000. So that was a nice 250x move. And we saw the same thing here as well, guys. So in January 2019, Bitcoin was at 3K. And then a few months later, it was at 12 to 13K. And then we saw the same thing here, it came down to 6K. And then we got the move up to around 54, 55, 56K, topping out at around 61K. So that was a nice 10x move right there. And then we saw the same thing here in 2022. Price was around 16K, 17K, and we got this move up to around 109K for Bitcoin. When we do come to support, Bitcoin has seen very, very significant moves. Of course, you've got moves ranging from 100x, and now we saw 10x here, and now we saw a 5 to 6x move from the 2022 lows. So the next level of support for Bitcoin on the 200-week moving average heat map is around 44K. And as Bitcoin price stagnates and as time goes, this price will get higher. As you can see here, from August to now, the price has gone up from 37K to around 44K. So should Bitcoin keep on chopping, this price of the 200 weekly moving average heat map will go up. So in the next few months, we might see at around 48 to 50K. If the consolidation takes longer, we might see at 60K. Who knows? But the whole point is, once it tests this level, it is a good place to buy. It is a good place to buy Bitcoin because we've seen here historically, guys, that price has literally pumped very aggressively once it has reclaimed the support level on this heat map. So here we got some under and over, but the rest of them, they just came into that level and pumped off it straight away. And I would expect the same thing here as well for Bitcoin should it come back into that level here. And if you take a look at the chart, guys, currently, as I've told you many times, we are testing the weekly EMA clouds at around 83K. Currently, it goes all the way down to 76K. So we could definitely see something like this for Bitcoin. and it goes back into that 90 VK level, which I've mentioned many times, will act as strong resistance. However, guys, if it is to lose this level, as you can see here, we've got this weekly support here. So this was previous resistance. 60 price resisted here. And as you can see, we had this whole cluster here, which price exploded through. So the resistance couldn't do its job anymore in terms of rejecting price. And of course, the weekly EMA cloud held as well over here, and price exploded through. So should we come back, it should act as nice support for a move higher for Bitcoin. So that's also something that I'm looking out for, and I do believe it will be a very good place to dollar cost average or start a position in Bitcoin if you're in already. So that is something I do have eyes on in the next few weeks to months. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, do smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and market updates. And if you haven't already, do join my Discord. We have plays every single day, as you can see here. Currently in a hype short for a few days, which has been doing really well. And you can see we've also been in some other trades which have also done well. So again, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you all in the next video.